Hi everybody, it's Nadia here again, and I'm bringing to you my glitter collection. I've got this drawer and I've got this drawer, and I really want to cull them down to glitters that I'm actually going to physically use. I'm just going to pick the glitters that I know that I will honestly use. So guys, if you're enjoying this declutter that I've been doing, I've done a couple now, and yeah, these are the things that I didn't get rid of last year. Some of these are eye safe glitters and some of these are nail varnishes glitters, and I will be keeping some for my nail stuff, and other stuff I'll just be like, no, go away. Let's get into it. So guys, I've sorted them into colours. I've got 3 of these, they're all the same colour, so I'm going to keep the big tube and get rid of 2 of the little ones. We've got black. This is a unique black. It's like it's got red coppery bits in it. It's just, so I'm going to definitely keep that one and get rid of the normal black, because I know I'm not going to use a normal black. This is brand new and I haven't even used it, I haven't even opened it. I still want to have a look at it. Oh yeah, I'm having that black as well because that's nice. So I'm keeping that black, and I just don't think I'll wear just black glitter, so I'm just going to get rid of this one. So then I've got 3 whites, and I've got a MAC glitter, which I'm 100% keeping that one. And this is it actually looks green on your eyes. It's like white, but it looks green. It's gorgeous, so I'm keeping that one. So now I just want a nice white glitter. And again, I haven't undone this Avon one. So let's have a look at these. They are exactly the same. Gonna get rid of that one, keep that one, and I think I'm going to get rid of the Avon one as well. So then silvers, again I've got an Avon one, and I don't know how good these are going to come off on camera, but, and then we've got, this is like pure silver. Oh, that one went on definitely better. I'm going to keep this one definitely, and this one. So I've got like 2 different silvers, and I'm going to be getting rid of these 2. Then we've got coppers. Them 3 look identical. I'll show you this one. It's beautiful. So I think I'm just gonna make sure. Definitely keeping that one. This one just here. Do you know what? I'm going to mix these and make my own. Mix it up. And I've got a total different glitter now. And there's the 2 golds that I'm going to keep. And I'm keeping this light gold here. And I'm going to get rid of, mind you, they look identical. Hold on a minute. Yeah, they are. So I'm going to get rid of that one and just keep the fuller one, I think. So then we've got these yellows. For some reason I put them all over there. So, but now I've got these yellows, and these 2 look identical, but then they're not. Yeah, you can definitely tell on camera that they're not the same. But would I use, which one would I use? I think I'd definitely go for more for this one just here, which is this one. So I'm keeping this one. I'm going to get rid of this one. I'm going to get rid of that one and keep this one because this is different reds. So let's see if we've got any double ups. I'm going to have glitter everywhere for weeks. Guys, do you realise this? So I'll just move some of these blues out of the way, purples, and then we can see what we're doing. Now let's open them up. Now that one is definitely different if you look at that, and I'd say that's more of a pink colour, so I'm going to put that in the pinks. That one's definitely different. They're actually all totally different. Red glitters. I know they look pink, but they are red. I'm just going to keep them all, guys. I'm going to go on to the pinks, I think, because I've got a lot of pinks, and starting off I can see that these two are identical, so definitely getting rid of that one. And I don't know whether I'm going to keep that one or not because there's a few light pinks in here. I'm going to just undo them. This one's not even open, so I'm just going to pass it on. So I just think I'm just going to keep this one here because they all look very similar on camera and on, because this has got gold, greeny, and I might keep the second one, so this one, but the other one can go. And probably all these glitters will be going to my daughter because she likes to do a bit of glitter sometimes, so they're not going to go to waste. Do you know what? I'm going to save all that till the end, put it in a pile and see what I get. So I'm going to do like fuchsias. Oh, let me see if these two are the same. See, that's got a bit of purple in it. That's got green in it. That's straight up pink. That's got green in it, so I'll get rid of that one. And I'm keeping the rest. I don't know. I'm not doing too bad. And I think these three here are all unique enough to keep on their own. And then this pink is the same as them two. So I'm going to get rid of this as well. Then we've got last pink here, but that's just pure pink, and I won't. I'm not going to put pure pink glitter on top of pink eyeshadows, I'm sorry. So let's go into oranges. Guys, I'm just wetting my fingers to get them on because I can't bother to put down a blue glue base. So them two are identical. I don't like the third orange, so that can go. And take that one off. And I don't really like this. That looks pink, but no, I don't want that one either. So I can get rid of that. Got two of these, so I can keep one of these. Get rid of that one. Don't like that one. And these three are unique enough to keep. Green next. So I don't want the first one. I don't think I'll wear the... So I don't think I'll wear that. I don't think I'll wear that. I will wear that. I like how opaque that one is, and that one I don't like, so these are the ones that I'm going to keep. So then we've got blues. That one's unopened. Those four are identical, so we technically only need to keep one, so I'll keep this and get rid of them three. I'm going to not have that one and keep that one. So that one is the first one and I'm keeping them too. And then we've got purples. So this is like a red. Oh, I'm going to keep the red. I'd say that's like, no, it's purple. So those two are totally different. That one's similar to that one, so I don't need that one. But it's a straight up pink. I don't think I'm going to use that. So that looks like none of the other ones. So I've decided I'm definitely getting rid of that one because I don't really like it. Oh, that's stunning. Guys, I just really need to thingy these. Oh, look at that. Got nothing like that either. I'm having a hard trouble with these purples because I do like purple. That one and that one looks the same. No, I'm getting rid of that one. And just these two little things, which I don't generally like the ones with white in, so I'm definitely getting rid of that one. And then we're down to the last one. I'm going to keep this one and get rid of the big jar of it. I don't need a big jar. I don't wear it enough, so I'm keeping all of these ones. And that, guys, is the glitter. So shall we see? There's that little glitter pot. Shall we see what we get out of this? What colour will it make? Let me take the cat hair out of it. Not that I'm going to use it, but we can see. That's the colour I got out of it, with all the different colours. So from the glitters, I've now got just this little pile, and I got rid of 32. I'm really happy with that, extremely happy. I've cooled a lot, so I'm just putting in my big pigments in here, so it means it gives me an empty drawer like so with the glitter stuff. And I finished another drawer, so I'm happy, guys. The next thing we're doing is glitters, but these are chunky glitters, different shapes, different styles. So I know straight away I don't want this one. It's already open, so unopened, so it can go. I am keeping my sparkly flowers because I do like sometimes to put them on my nails as well. And these I've had for years. I'm keeping them. They are gorgeous. They are beautiful. I'm not going to get them all out. I'm going to get the colours out we need because they're already colour coordinated. So blue. I'm not going to use any of these like beaded ones. They're like really little beads. Can you see them bouncing around on there? Anything that's got little beads in, I'm not keeping. And this is another one. These are stars, so I'm keeping them. These are love hearts, I'm keeping them. They're identical. But then when you turn around, no, they're not. They're like two triangles put together, and these are like hexagons, so I'm definitely keeping both of them. This is like shards. I'm not going to use it, guys. I'm definitely not going to use these little ones. These are shards again, and I'm going to keep these ones because they're a darker colour. And these are beads, like where you stick them on for your nails. I'm going to keep them. So here are the orange ones. So I know I'm not going to use these like fibre ones, and I wouldn't put them on my eyes either, so they can go. there's some more of them shards. I don't like the feel of them on my nails, so they can go. These are just like chips. No, the stars ones, yes. We've got more chips. I do like them. They're like hexagon shapes, so I'm going to keep them. And then same with these ones. Because I can lie them flat, say if I want them on my nail. I can't lie them like beads down, they stick up, so I'm going to keep them. So I'm definitely keeping the Love Arts again, the stars, the round ones. I'm not keeping balls. All the shards. I know they look nice on nails and things like that, but I haven't got the patience. And if I wanted to like dip my finger in, I'm not going to be able to do like 10 fingers with this amount of glitter. But it will be nice, just like to tap under your eye, not on your eye. I wouldn't put these on your eye. And then these are like, just so you sort of understand, they're like lines and I'm not going to use them. I've got a big purple one here and I'm going to keep them because they're like round circles. So I'm going to keep the gold round circles. I'm not keeping, I think this is a glitter. Yeah, that's a glitter. But I'm not keeping it. And I think this is a silver glitter as well. And I've got them. So onto green. Again, I'll be keeping what I've already said. So these are the stars. These are the circles. These are like the diamonds. And then I'm getting rid of them. Thanks. Got yellows as well, so I'll do the yellows first. I'm not keeping the balls, but I will keep these yellow shards. These are my pinks. So I'm getting rid of all the shards, so I'll do that first. And the balls. And the like stripes is what I'm going to call them from now on. I think the rest I'm going to keep. Then we've got like reds, and these apart from this one, which are shards, I'm going to get rid of, and I'm keeping them ones. See, these will be good for festivals as well. We're on to silver now. I'm getting rid of the silver balls, and everything else actually sticks on you, so I'm keeping them. And there's no double ups. The white ones, I'm going to get rid of the balls and keep these like hexagon ones. Gold, and we've got gold hexagon ones. So I'm going to get rid of these ones because I don't think I'll use them myself, but I do like them strange looking ones. I'm going to get rid of the balls, obviously. Get rid of the shards. Get rid of these ones and keep the bigger ones, because with the bigger ones I can put nail, just the odd nail ones. Mind you, I might keep them actually because they'll be do nice for like if I want a mini. Just throw them around, Nadia. There weren't that many in them anyway. Yeah, so if I decide to do the black at the bottom, I can put a couple of these little balls. And I'm getting rid of the shards. That is that. And I've got a tub now that's empty. These are not iSave, guys. You run at your own risk. None of these are iSave. So guys, I have got rid of, so I've actually got rid of 30, and I'm not getting rid of them. They'll be going to support a youth group, and they'll just be used as things that they can throw at paper and stuff like that. So for me, I'm happy now. I've called half of the baskets. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Another declutter. I enjoy doing it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks ever so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.